Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to find recently viewed Facebook Marketplace items. So this is going to become particularly useful. Let's say you're shopping on Facebook Marketplace and you accidentally close your app and miss out on which item you are actually interested in. So be sure to stick around just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, and it's going to teach you how to find recently viewed Facebook Marketplace items. So before we begin, I do want to invite you to actually go ahead and make sure that your Facebook is up to date. So go ahead into your App Store or Google Play Store. Next, you're going to click on this blue and white icon, which is the Facebook icon. Now from here, you want to access the marketplace. So you can do this numerous ways. I'm going to show you by clicking on the bottom left-hand side. Just click on marketplace. And then on the upper right hand side, you want to click that icon that looks like a person. So from here, you're going to see a few different options. What you're going to click on here is this recently viewed tab. So click on recently viewed. And then this is where you're going to see all the items that you recently reviewed on Facebook Marketplace. So this is the best and most easiest way that I've actually seen to go ahead and learn how to find recently viewed Facebook Marketplace items. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.